back to my YouTube channel. And I know the question you finna ask before you say anything. Yes, I know I got one eyelash on, and yes, I still press record. Well, I ain't putting on my other eyelash, okay? You in my business. Don't do that. I'm about to put the other eyelash on. Hold on. I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, y'all, we got them both on. If you're looking too hard, they're crooked. Just don't look too hard. Just, okay? Pay attention to me. Pay attention to me. Don't pay attention up here. Because I promise you, it's definitely crooked. But that's not what we here for. So, hopefully y'all can hear me. But I'm whispering because I'm in the bathroom and everybody's still up. So, yeah. But today's video is I'm going to be showing you guys how to style knotless braids. These are medium style knotless braids. I originally got these done for my birthday on the 15th of December, and they're a little old, so I'm gonna just do this video before I have to take them out. So these are medium sized knotless braids. This is a new hairstylist I went to, but she's really good. She provides the hair, all of that. These are a bit bigger than what I normally get. However, she did a great job. The hair was provided. It was easy to get to her, all of that. But these are medium-sized knotless braids, and I had got these done originally for my birthday on the 15th, but they are getting a little old. So I'm gonna just style these before I take them out, because I've always wanted to do a video like this. Nobody asked me for it, but I'm gonna put it out there. I know there's some people that just don't know how to style these braids, and they're pretty long. They're like to like here. I'm not gonna, my arms, y'all. I didn't shave. But yeah, they're pretty long, and yeah, they go about to like, I'm pretty short. I'm 5'4", y'all, so, but they go about to like my waist. So they're pretty long, but they're not heavy. They're pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all how to style these, so like, you know, I can give y'all some ideas. Or if you're new to getting braids, here's the video for you. So without further ado, keep watching. Okay, you guys, this is just a simple side part. I prefer my braids to like hang in the front. Because my face is kind of round. So I feel like it frames my face just a little bit better. But yes, I like this style, y'all. I had to do my edges off camera to show y'all, but yeah, that's just basically it. Just a simple you know, just side part. You can also do the other side, but yeah, that's what it looks like. All right, y'all, for this next hairstyle, it's just the 2 braids in the back. I use a rubber band. You could also use your hair for this too if you don't have access to a rubber band. Yeah, this is just a cute little half up, half down situation here. And like I said, I have to frame my face because I have a round face, as y'all can see. But I personally like all my hair in the front with this style. But this is a style for those who, you know, really don't want no hair in their face or on their neck, you know, for work or school, whatever you do. And yeah, it's still cute and feminine. All right, y'all, this hairstyle right here is my go-to hairstyle when I wear braids, knotless braids, box braids, small or medium. This is my signature hairstyle, so if you see me out, this is what I'm wearing most of the time. But right now I got my hair in a bun. But yeah, so I wear this hairstyle a lot, and it's just cute. Like the high ponytail gives character to your braids, and it's just like a cute little face framer to me when I wear my hair like this. And in the next upcoming clips, you're gonna see me like put 2 braids up in the front. And y'all see this right here. I didn't really like that too much, but that's also another hairstyle that you can do. But I prefer my hair to look just like this. I don't know, when I did my hair just like that just now, it gave me Dejanay vibes from Proud Family. But anyway, yeah, you can wear your hair like this and still look cute. Real cute, real cute. I was feeling myself, y'all. I was real cute when I did this video. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah. And yes, you guys, this is another piggyback off of the previous hairstyle I did. And you could put 2 braids in the front just to add character.
or whatnot, you know, spice it up a little bit. It's cute and flirty, and yeah.
Okay, y'all, time for the updos. So where I work at a hospital, so I wear my hair up all the time. And this is really cute too. Like I said, you're gonna see me put my hair up in the front the whole duration of this video, because personally I just like my hair, my braids in the front, laying over my shoulders. But yeah, so I wear my hair like this. If not, I also wear it higher, like a higher, see, look at me, I don't know how to act. But I wear it higher than this sometimes, but just to give it more of a classy look, I just kind of did it lower. What I did notice, I did not do a low ponytail, because I don't wear my hair in a low ponytail. I just hate the braids on my neck like that. But yeah, so you can also do this style. It's real simple, just a cute little ponytail. You know, you see me flip the hair to the front, to the back, to the side. Real cute, real simple, nothing crazy. All right, y'all, we are at the bun stage. So for my girls, they like to do buns, you know. This is really cute to me, especially when you do your edges, when you slay your edges. I didn't slay my edges like I normally do for the time of this video, because honey, I wanted to get this video out, because I'm working on my consistency for my channel. But yeah, that's what it looks like in the back. Oh, please ignore my bitty beads, y'all. Oh my gosh, my kitchen, ridiculous. But yeah, so that is what it looks like. Just a cute, simple bun. You can wear that out on a date night. Real cute. Okay, y'all, we still have the bun, and y'all see me put 2 braids in the front. This is really cute, and I just said, is my bun lopsided? It definitely looked lopsided. Y'all don't have to tell me, because I know it looked lopsided, but you get the point. So this is just a cute little style if you want to. Oh my god, my bun was lopsided, y'all. Oh my goodness, but it's okay. So minus the lopsidedness, you can put 2 braids in the front just to add a little character to your hairstyle, to kind of make it cute. Or you can do the regular one like I did previously. But yeah, I wear this hairstyle too sometimes. Okay, y'all, I don't know if y'all remember if I said the second one was my favorite hairstyle. I lied. This one is my favorite hairstyle because of the swoop. Y'all see that swoop? Yeah, it's not, you know, inches, but we got braids in inches. I like this hairstyle for some reason. Like, I don't know, I have a big forehead, so it kind of makes my forehead smaller. I don't know if it does, but I like this hairstyle a lot. Yeah, and it's like kind of Barbie-ish, just a little bit. But I really like this hairstyle, especially like my edges on the side when I swoop them up, or like curl like the little end part of it. It's cute. Oh, see, look, I need to relax. But yeah, it is a real cute hairstyle. Like, everything is out of your face, even if you want a little bang action, like, you know what I'm saying? It's not like weave, you know what I'm saying? It's just braids, so you gotta make it work, you gotta make it do what it do. I honestly just kind of tuck the bang hair like within the ponytail, so you have to like tuck it around the rubber band and, you know, finesse it that way. And you can wear it in the front like that, see? You can do that, or you can wear it in the back like a real ponytail. Okay, y'all, this next hairstyle right here is so cute to me. I actually never worn my hair out on a full day like this. I have done this hairstyle before, but I've never worn it. Like, I'll probably wear it for like a makeup look or something creative that I'm doing. But this is just so cute and playful, honestly, to me. I like this hairstyle. It's really cute. Like I said, it's playful. I don't know, it's just cute and playful. Like, I don't know the other words for it, but it's really cute. You can also put these in 2 buns like you're gonna see in the next clip. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. I might have to wear this hairstyle a bit more
often because, honey, I was low-key feeling myself with this one. I don't know. I don't think I have a favorite no more because I'm going back and I'm editing and I'm like, oh my god, all of these were cute. Okay, y'all, so we are on to the last hairstyle. So these are just 2 space buns in the front and your hair down. It's honestly just a piggyback off of the last hairstyle. And yes, one bun is bigger than the other. So yeah, you can put the braids up in the front or in the back, and yeah, you could probably make the braids more proportioned than I can, because honestly, to me, this hairstyle did not eat, but you can wear this hairstyle as an option. I think I look cute in every last one of them in the cut with my 20 weave bobbin. Nah, but this hairstyle is for those who want to switch it up and kind of look different and, you know, have fun.
Okay, y'all, that was it for the video. Let me know which style you like the best, which one you really wouldn't do, because there were some styles that I personally wouldn't wear. Guys, for this video, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the bell on for post notifications. You know what I'm trying to say. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.